Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what up? Today I am showing you guys Colourpop's newest eyeshadow palette from their Valentine's Day collection. This is their All That palette. This packaging is gorgeous. I love the whole theme of this little Valentine's Day collection. This is what the inside of the palette looks like, and today I'm going to be giving you guys this look right here with this palette. I didn't pick anything else up from the collection, so all you guys are going to be getting is the actual eyeshadow tutorial, and then I will have all of the other products that I use today listed in the description box. I am filming another video today, so that is why I didn't show you guys my full face, but regardless, I hope you guys enjoy it as always, and let's get into the tutorial. this is the completed makeup look using the new Colourpop All That palette from their Valentine's collection. I like the way it came out, okay, period. I did expect it to be a little bit more red just because of the actual color story in the palette. These shadows definitely show up a little bit more purple on my, well, a lot more purple on my eyes, but this reminds me of the Hoola New Nude palette, so I'm not mad at it at all. I still got a bomb ass look out of it, and it's still popping as hell, so I'm not mad at it at all. I'm pretty sure I can come up with a more red look if I was to just use like Wink Wink, Silhouette, and then Infatuation. I definitely want to put Infatuation all over my lid in my next look because that little bit of red that's showing through, it's really, really pretty. So I like this palette. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. I like this palette, and I kind of figured that I would because just from seeing other people's videos, especially Dupe That, I just knew that I would like this palette. So yes, this is the look. So if you guys enjoyed it, then you already know, give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know that you liked it. If you are new, definitely hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you are notified every single time that I upload a video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Peace.